I feel like I got a lot accomplished today. Big thank you goes out to my husband who went out last night after he got home from work and took this tree bush down so that I could dispose of it today. And a huge thank you to my mom and dad who came over with Dad's cart so that we could haul it all away a lot more efficiently than me taking 15 trips out to the burn pile. I used up all the cardboard that I had, and thankfully there were a couple companies in town that let me have what they had on hand. I moved 3 loads of wood chips today. Thankfully my father helped me with that. I don't think I could have done that all by myself. A final thank you to my church family, Vicki and Dawn, for helping me with manure and pallets. Started getting the rows laid out with some of the green material that I had from my yard. So day 2, then I went into Menards and bought some more compost and mushroom compost and composted manure to get this started. And I've also picked up 3 bales of straw. I've got everything laid out in the rows, and so far looks okay, and I've watered everything down really well. We were gone for the weekend. It stormed last night and gave us about a ½ inch of rain. This morning I went out and got some more wood chips, and put some more cardboard down, and then I moved some plants along the fence here where I'm going to put the compost bins. I gathered up some leaves and got them in this little wire frame that I used to use as a tomato cage, so one step at a time.
I had 4 yards of topsoil delivered to my driveway yesterday, and today's task in the less than 50-degree temperatures and the gusting winds is to move this pile from here through the garage out in the backyard. I could go around, but this seems to be flatter, easier to pull, and depositing out onto the garden. We'll see how far it goes. Dirt, we have dirt.
I've gotten a lot of use out of this garden cart, but today I lost the pin that holds the handle on and had to switch over to this lovely little plastic wheelbarrow to finish the job. The 4 yards covered everything that I needed. I put 1 layer over each of the 4 rows. I covered that with hay and put a second layer of topsoil over each of the 4 rows, and I still have a pile left. So hopefully at the end of all of this, I've watered it in well. I'm going to put chopped up dried leaves over the top of the whole garden and be done with it. A couple more projects I have left to do in terms of getting the compost bins built and to put the wood retaining little edge on the south end of the garden right here.